in the product section of the dashboard allows you to create your menu and product library. Here is where you will create products of which you will order RFID tags for. The store's inventory is calculated by the reading of the RFID tags that are encoded with their own SKU. Think of each tag as a nutritional label. It's specific to the product it is on and shows the customer the information of the product they purchased. Here is a table view you will see of your entire product library. You will quickly be able to see the name, the SKU, the price, the cost, and the current inventory across your fleet of that individual product. You can toggle the archived checkbox in the top left-hand corner. It allows you to take items away from the view that are not currently in your rotation. Use the search function here in the right corner to search by name or the SKU number for easy finding. You can type in the information, the SKU will pull up here. To add a product, it's simple. Click Add in the top right-hand corner and complete the information as required. The fields with the tablet icon are fields that the customer can view during the transaction or by browsing the menu. Items with an asterisk next to it are required to create the physical product. Please note that the product information can be changed at any time and will automatically get pushed to the store to update when the store is online during its next heartbeat. This can be even after ordering RFID tags. So here I'm going to enter in all this information as shown here. The last thing, if I have multiple accounts where I have access to multiple campuses, I can be able to select here in the drop down where I want this product to be able to apply to. I've selected this campus because I know that the 4 stores that I'm going to stock with the Cobb salad is under this campus. You can find this information under the stores page under the technical section. So here I'm going to have all my product, all my information I wish the customer to see. I go ahead and hit save. Do note I can go back at any time and update this product information. One thing to keep in mind by updating and changing names and prices, it does change the back data. So if you are going to change information, just go ahead and make sure to export your data before making any edits to make sure you have that historical knowledge. I have successfully been able to create all my product menu here. My library is complete. The next thing I'm going to do is order RFID tags. To do so, I go over to the Tags tab here on the far left-hand side, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Order Tags in the top right. I'll be able to have a drop down here to select the item that I just created. So for that Cobb salad, I can search it. Again, I can find the SKU and select. For the tag type of this item, I'm going to work from the bottom of the list to the top. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the tag type and going against the type of packaging that I know this product is going to be in, which is going to be in a clear plastic clamshell. So for this packaging, I know it's not a metal can or aluminum lined, so I don't need the metal flag tag. It's not going to be microwaved, so I don't need the microwave safe. It's not a drink, so I know by default I'm going to be a regular tag type. I select the tag type. I can be able to change the printed text on the tag if I wanted to just say salad. I can do so, or I can type back to make sure it goes back to Cobb salad. I'll be able to select the quantity here in increments of 100. I'm going to select 100, and then delivery, I want it to be ground pickup. Ground pickup is about 2 to 4 days in transit, and overnight is 1 day in transit. Takes 1 to 2 business days for this order to be fulfilled and printed to ship. So add that on top of your shipment time. So if I select ground, I know it should be arrived to me within 3 to 5 business days from the time of placing orders. I go ahead here when I'm complete, I hit submit order. This order then goes into the tag queue. You will see the status change here to scheduled. Once the order is starting to be printed, you will see that status change to in progress. Once it's completed, you will see the status change to fulfilled. When it's a shipping order, you're going to go down here and you'll see that it's been fulfilled by FedEx Ground with a tracking number for me to see where that status of that package is. The tag orders does show you here is the order total on an individual line item. These tags are charged to your account on a monthly basis. So at the end of your monthly remittance, it does get deducted. No need to be able to put in a credit card or pay for the tags up front. If at any time you need to export this data, you can click on this button up here. You can search by SKU to see when the last time you placed an order and what type of tag you ordered at that time. And you'll also be able to hit refresh here. If at any point you need to make any edits to an order while it's in that scheduled state, just go ahead here and click on this edit pencil, and you'll be able to change the tag type. If you need to, you'll be able to change the text and the quantity, or even the delivery. Or lastly, if you need to cancel the order, you'll cancel order and confirm to cancel the order. And you'll see that status change to canceled there. Your RFID tags, once they've been fulfilled, they'll be shipped to the address on file. To find that address, you're going to go here down to settings and go to account. Once you find your account here, you can click this caret on the far left-hand side. You will find the campus underneath your account. To make any edits to the campus, click this pencil next to that line item. At this point, you'll be able to select your tag shipping address here on the top right. Once I make my edits, I go ahead here and hit save, and it will then change and adjust as needed.